We're in Farmington Hills, Michigan, and we are building the latest senior center under the Ed Rose and Sons envelope. We are now beginning the site development and demolition of the existing buildings. The building will be a 305,000 square foot facility for senior living. It incorporates state-of-the-art amenities and 207 units. On site we have Wisnowski. They're a site developer, so they're beginning to scratch and down the grade so we can begin our building. Our goal is to have the project complete within 18 months upon building the project, which really puts us out about 24, 26 months at the best.